Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track you want to shape and opening Smart Controls or the dedicated EQ view. This puts the channel EQ where you can work quickly. Once the track is soloed and looped, choose a preset close to your goal so you aren't starting from scratch. You'll hear changes immediately. Make subtle gain adjustments first and use narrow Q for surgical cuts versus wider Q for musical boosts, because surgical cuts free space while boosts add presence. Now you diagnose. Apply a moderate boost with a narrow Q and sweep to pinpoint problem frequencies. When you hear the issue louder, reverse that move and cut a few dB to tame it. Once done, make broader, gentle boosts for tonal shaping if necessary. Wider Q and 1-3 dB increments work best. Make sure to use a high-pass filter to remove subsonic rumble and a low-pass if harsh highs persist, because removing unwanted energy creates headroom for other elements. Finish by a /B testing with the EQ bypassed so you hear the cumulative effect in context. Toggle while the full mix plays, because soloed fixes can lie. Once satisfied, automate small EQ moves for transitions or use mid/side processing to widen or tighten specific elements, then save your custom preset for reuse. If things sound thin or facey, make sure you didn't overcut low mids and check the plugin order. Reducing extreme cuts or inserting EQ earlier often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.